Imagine a single fruit that contains the key to improve immunity, glowing skin, and a healthier heart. What if I told you that this incredible fruit has the potential to improve your health in ways you never imagined possible? So get ready to discover the amazing world of secret juice and its tremendous health advantages. So dear friends, if you want to learn more about this hidden fruit, watch the entire video till the end and subscribe to your favorite channel Healthric and click the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. This fruit has numerous benefits. According to Ayurveda, this fruit is a cure-all for a variety of ailments. Nothing beats this fruit for boosting immunity. It also cleanses the blood. This fruit is known for its numerous health benefits, serving as a versatile remedy for various ailments. Its rich composition of vitamins and minerals not only nourishes the skin and hair but also boosts immunity and supports overall health. Whether you chew it raw or juice it, you will get benefits both ways. However, many diseases are cured by drinking the juice of this fruit on an empty stomach in the morning. So, after knowing so much, you must want to know what the name of this fruit is. You know that this fruit is very easy to get, and you may have eaten or seen it many times. But today I will tell you in this video in more detail what it does for our body and why we all need to eat this fruit. Yes, if you guessed something, then you got it right. This fruit is Amla. Take a look at the benefit of drinking Amla juice on an empty stomach to keep the body healthy and stay young for life. So what exactly is Amla? Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a vibrant green fruit packed with nutrients. It's often called a superfood due to its numerous health benefits. Amla is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is at the top of the list of vitamins that boost the body's immune system. Amla juice contains a lot of vitamin C. The value of vitamin C as an antioxidant is not low. Therefore, if you eat Amla juice every morning on an empty stomach, your immunity will increase. Besides, the body will be protected from common colds and infections. Have anti-inflammatory properties. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry or Emlica officinalis, is a fruit that has been used for its medicinal properties in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. One of its notable health benefits is its anti-inflammatory properties, which are attributed to its rich phytochemical composition. Here are the details about the anti-inflammatory properties of Amla. High antioxidant content. Amla is packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, polyphenols, flavonoids, and tannins. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can lead to inflammation and tissue damage. Reduces oxidative stress. The antioxidant in Amla help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to chronic inflammation and various diseases. By combating oxidative stress, Amla can help lower the risk of inflammatory conditions. Anti-arthritic effects. Some studies have suggested that Amla extracts may have anti-arthritic properties. Arthritis is characterized by inflammation of the joints, and Amla's anti-inflammatory compounds may help alleviate symptoms. Aids in digestion. According to experts, Amla is rich in vitamins and minerals and improves digestion. It helps metabolism. It relieves problems like indigestion, acidity, and constipation. Keeps the weight under control, so drink Amla juice every morning on an empty stomach. Controls blood sugar levels. Amla juice is very beneficial for diabetic patients. Helps in controlling blood sugar levels. Moreover, regular consumption of Amla juice also keeps cholesterol under control. Keeps the heart healthy. Amla is high in fiber, amino acids, and antioxidants, which boost heart performance, reduces the risk of heart disease, and keeps the heart healthy. Removes toxins from the body. Amla juice flushes toxins from the body. The result is a healthy liver, clear skin, increased energy levels, and better overall health. Good for skin. Vitamin C in Amla juice increases collagen production and protects the skin from UV rays. As a result, the skin is healthy. Promotes hair growth. Amla is also beneficial for hair. Drinking Amla juice strengthens the hair follicles, reduces hair loss, and improves the overall quality and texture of the hair. Reduces stress. Amla has adaptogenic properties, which help reduce stress and improve mood. Good for eyes. Amla is an excellent source of vitamin A. This vitamin is very beneficial for the eyes. It helps improve eyesight. Drinking Amla juice regularly keeps the eyes healthy. May reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Okay, so let's talking about how do you make Amla juice. Wash a few amlas in water and cut them into small pieces. Discard the seeds, grind the amla with a little water in a blender. Add a piece of ginger and honey to this paste and blend it again. Now there you have it. Squeeze the juice from this mixture of amla and drink it. Disclaimer: all information mentioned in this video is advisory. Always consult a doctor or experienced wellness coach before taking any decision. So friends, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay tuned for more amazing health and wellness tips. Take care.